An LGBTQ advocacy group says a new Texas Department of Public Safety policy could leave tens of thousands of transgender Texans in legal limbo.
Equality Texas is reacting to a DPS policy change that will no longer accept court orders to change gender markers on driver's licenses. Investigative reporter Jenny Lee joins us here in the studio. Jenny, do we know why this is happening?
Yeah, that's a good question, and we are still waiting to hear back from DPS to answer that question. The interim CEO for Equality Texas says he heard about the policy change this morning, and already several people have reached out to his group for help and information. Brad Pitchett says the new policy is upsetting because he believes having an ID that accurately reflects who you are is the bare minimum of respect. He says the change could create legal issues for the 93,000 Texans who identify as transgender. Pritchett says when your driver's license doesn't match up with other documents like your passport, well, that can create issues. Pritchett says he wants to know why DPS did not notify the public about the change. We dug around on the DPS website and discovered back on April 27th of this year, there was a paragraph about gender change. It read, if you want to change your gender, you must bring an original certified court order or amended birth certificate verifying that change. But that message disappeared on July 16th. Now, back in 2022, Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton asked DPS to compile a list of individuals who changed their gender on their Texas driver's licenses. Pritchett says this is a big coincidence.
I mean, what we've seen in Texas, unfortunately, is state agencies continually being weaponized against transgender people. So it's 100% designed, in my opinion, to target transgender Texans.
Pritchett says his team is working with legal partners like the ACLU and Lambda Legal to figure out next steps. He encourages anyone with concerns to call his group Equality Texas. Again, we reached out to Texas DPS a couple of times today, and we are still waiting for answers.